Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn knotted stem stitch. We can put this stitch in straight line. Start at the left end and pick a little fabric from back to front on the line and make a stitch. Now pass the needle through the stitch once like this and pull tightly. Once again pass in front of that and pull tightly. Again pick little fabric from back to front on the line as we do in a back stitch. Now pass the needle through the two threads which we see on top. And make a roll. Once again pass in front of it so that we will have two rows of threads in each stitch. Again repeat the stitches. Pick little fabric from back to front on the line as we do in back stitch, and now pass the needle through the two threads which we see on top like this, and once again pass in front of it so that we will have two rows of threads in each stitch. Repeat the stitches again and again. So this stitch will look thicker than the ordinary stem stitch. This stitch can be used in straight lines as well as curved lines for the twigs, stems, border lines and letters in our embroidering design. It is a very beautiful stitch which looks like rolls of threads. I hope you are clear about the stitch now, and if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you like this video, click the like button and also share with your friends. If you have not subscribed for my channel so far, please subscribe and also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. I have posted many videos for embroidering learners and I have given the links in the description. You can go to those links and learn all other stitches. This stitch is called knotted stem stitch, and while you finish the stitch, you can just pass the needle beneath. And this is the back view of the stitch. It looks like back stitch. Thank you for watching.